Guys, what's up? I'm back again with another video, and as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create Beyblade with these things, guys. As you can see in the previous video, guys, I had created this one, guys. As you can see, the greatest Beyblade of all time in my opinion. Yeah, guys, this is the most heaviest and the craziest and powerful Beyblade of all time I have created. Yeah, I'm going to make a NutBall type Beyblade or a nut Beyblade anyway. So here you can see the parts, guys, the things you need. Okay, guys, finally I have decided, because for a moment I was a little bit confused that what design should I make for this Beyblade. Okay, so I've decided, guys, I will first take this 4 bolts or nuts like this way. I will stick this nut bolts like this way, 4 sides of the circular disc like this way, guys. As you can see, yeah, guys, it's definitely going to be a Beyblade with 4 contact points. So let me just quickly show you that after sticking. What the? Okay, let's just quickly stick this as well. I don't know why super glue is coming so much. This is just a waste of super glue. Yeah, and definitely, guys, I will definitely use M-Seal later. But for now, I'm just sticking the bolts with super glue, because super glue dries up very quickly, and you know M-Seal takes a long time to dry up. So I'm using super glue. Hope you understand. Okay, guys, finally I'm done sticking all the nuts on the circular disc like this way, as you can see. And if you want, you can stick it like other way if you want. I have stick it like this way, X shape, you know. Okay, so now it's time to make the prong, guys. I'm going to make the prong cut in this bottle cap like this way, as you can see, to which I had created in my previous Beyblade like this way. Okay, guys, let's just quickly show you that. Okay, guys, now let's just quickly cut out these black marks. Okay, here we go, guys. We are almost done creating the prong cuts on the bottle cap. Yeah, not that much great, but yet, yes, at least it's looking like a perfect looking Beyblade X prong cut. Okay, let's see if it fits properly or not with the Beyblade X launcher, because I'm definitely going to launch this Beyblade with this launcher, guys. Okay, yeah, fits very properly, guys, as you can see, not bad. Okay, here we go. Now we have our M-Seal here. Now just quickly mix this M-Seal and stick it on this thing. Okay, guys, finally our M-Seal is fully ready, as you can see here, and it's like a black clay, gray color clay, you know. Okay, let's just quickly place all around this Beyblade part. Just have to stick it like this way. I don't want these bolts to come out, I mean nuts. Okay, now this M-Seal is getting really sticky, guys. Need to use a little bit water. Okay, guys, now it's time to place the bottle cap. Let's go. This will be our prong cut area. Okay, let me just place it like this way. We want a perfect look. Here we go. Just a little bit push. Okay, now I really have a little bit M-Seal, as you can see here. Now let's just quickly also stick all around the Beyblade, especially here, so that the bottle cap will stick properly. Okay, guys, I'm finally done doing the design, as you can see. So here's the final design, guys. A little bit circular, and these 4 contact points poking out. So now, guys, it's time to stick a performance tape, but this time, guys, I'm not going to stick a performance tape. I'm going to make one. So here I have some bolts and a little bit metal ball like this one. So I'm going to first place it like this. Okay, I'm going to make this quick, guys, because the video quality is getting very bad right now. And here I have another bolt, so I'm going to stick it like this way, and finally I will stick this metal ball on top, and our Beyblade will be fully ready, guys, like this way, as you can see. So let me just show you that. Yep, now it's looking great, guys. Okay.
The next day.
So hey guys, what's up? I'm back again. It's the second day of making this Beyblade, guys, and I'm finally done making the full Beyblade, and I have also attached the metal ball at the bottom, and yeah, the driver and the performance tube is also done. So our Beyblade is fully done, guys. But now I know you will ask me that, bro, the base is looking different than before. So yeah, guys, it's true, because I have did some changes in the design. I know, guys, first it was circular, the M-Seal was circular, guys, but at the end, guys, as I have told you, I was not satisfied with the design, so I just did this design, guys, as you can see. Okay, guys, now you can ask me that how I have created the design on this M-Seal, like this square shape design. So actually I used my finger, guys. While the M-Seal was drying up, I used my finger and just pressed the M-Seal like this way, guys. I just used my finger, guys, and just pressed between the marble ball, this metal ball, as you can see, like this way, guys. Okay, you just have to use your finger and have to press the M-Seal like this way, guys, and have to make this square shape design. You just need to use your finger, guys. Nothing else you need to use. You just need to use your finger, and you have to just press the M-Seal like this while the M-Seal is drying up. So that's how you can make this design. I hope you all understand. I'm very sorry, guys, I was not able to show the process, because I did this design at the middle of evening yesterday. So I hope you understand. Okay, guys, finally I'm done adding colors on the Beyblade, and now the Beyblade is looking much better. But still guys, not that much huge difference, but still without colors the Beyblade is looking much better, I think. But still after adding colors, it's not looking that bad, but still I am okay with the colors. So here's the Beyblade guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I don't know it will be 100 grams or not, but okay guys, now it's time to do some test battles. But before that we need to see how much this Beyblade actually weighs. I hope at least 80 grams, let's see. But yeah, not gonna expect 100 grams, but still let's see. Oh, 76 grams guys. Yeah, pretty much close to 80 grams, but still I would be really satisfied if it was actually 80 grams. But yeah, at the end, not that much bad guys. 76, it's not that much lightweight. It really is a heavy weight guys. I think if I could also add more balls, then this Beyblade will definitely get 80 grams. I hope so. Anyway guys, I hope you like the Beyblade guys. Now please like this video and make sure to subscribe if you're new, if you're watching this video. Okay, let's do a spin test, then some test battle. Still, it's the X Beyblade. I have named it as NutBall Beyblade X. Let's go 3 2 1 go. Shoot. Whoa, wow guys, super stable. Not that much unstable guys, it's very stable, because in my previous creations maximum my base was a little bit unstable, but this one is very stable guys, because it has the marble ball, you know, the metal ball, you know. And yeah, as I've told you guys, I named it as NutBall X. Yeah guys, because it has nuts and marble balls, and also it's a X Beyblade because you can launch the Beyblade with X launchers. Anyway, let's do some battles guys, and I hope it will definitely have high attack power. Okay, let's do a battle guys. I'm very excited. 3 2 1 go. Hell side. Here we go. Whoa, crazy. Oh guys,
that's what I'm talking about! That's why he's there!
Yeah, the base just broke itself. Issue here, as you can see from the top everything is okay, but from the bottom the performance tip just came out. So I think it's because of sticking it with hot glue, because from the front guys, as you can see, I have sticking everything with M-Seal, but from the back guys, I have sticking the performance tip with hot glue. So I think guys, it's not a better idea to stick performance tip or metal things with hot glue guys. It's not a better idea. I think guys, it's almost impossible to stick metal with hot glue. So I really recommend you to not do this guys. At least if you can, try to stick with super glue or M-Seal. Absolutely the best option guys, or super glue I will definitely recommend you, but I will not going to recommend you sticking the metal things with hot glue guys. As you can see, this just came out, so yeah, it's a huge issue. What the heck man, bro? But yeah guys, that was a crazy burst guys, one hit burst, crazy. And as I've told you guys, I think super glue is also not a good option, because I have, at the end guys, I have sticking the performance tip with super glue. But yeah guys, as you can see, the super glue also came out. So yeah guys, I don't know what to do right now. I think I definitely need to use M-Seal, but yeah guys, it will definitely take time to dry. So I'm again going to use super glue guys. Okay, let's take the performance tip again. This is a huge issue guys for sure. Shoot. Okay, wizard arrow, let's go. Okay, whoa, burst again.
That's why he's the GOAT!
Second hit burst guys, what the heck? I don't know how this Beyblade is boosting Beyblade so fast. I think it's because of the weight difference guys. I mean, it's because of the height difference. Let me show you the height guys. As you can see, a normal Beyblade XP and my die bay, you can clearly see guys, it's actually lower right to the right side guys, as you can see. So that's why guys, it's direct hitting the right side and boosting the Beyblade. So wow, that was crazy guys. Hill set boosted, now wizard arrow also boosted in the second hit. Okay, let's do with wizard arrow. Here we go, 3 2 1 go, shoot. Okay, last one, 3 2 1 go, shoot. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh wow, this time guys, Night Shield really defends itself very properly. But as you can see, I think it will definitely get burst. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh guys, yeah, the Beyblade actually hitting the ratchet. And here you go, wow, survived, not bad. Okay,
So just do it!